Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever started writing an email in Gmail, stepped away, and then wondered how to actually find and send that unfinished draft, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through Gmail's drafts folder, show you exactly how to edit and send saved drafts, and share a few tips to make sure your emails go out smoothly every single time. Stick around until the end because I'll also give you a couple of pro tips that can save you from common mistakes. Step 1, open Gmail. First things first, open your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Step 2, locate the Drafts folder, scroll down until you see the folder labeled Drafts. This is Gmail's storage spot for any email you've started but haven't sent yet. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll see a list of all your saved drafts. Step 3, select and open a draft. Click on the draft you want to finish. It'll open in the regular Compose window, just like when you're writing a new email. Step 4, review and edit carefully. Before you hit send, make sure to double-check everything. Correct spelling or grammar mistakes, update any outdated information, and ensure that you've actually added recipients in the to field. That's a common thing people forget. If your draft mentions an attachment, confirm that the file is actually attached. Also, review any links or references to be sure they're still accurate. Step 5, send the email. Once your draft looks good and everything is in place, just click the Send button in the top right corner of the Compose window. That's it. Your draft is now a sent email. Pro tips for a smooth send. Always make sure you've got a stable internet connection before sending. If you're including large files, double-check they're fully attached before you hit send. Finally, glance at your email signature. Gmail often adds one automatically, so make sure it matches the tone and purpose of your message. And that's how you manage and send draft emails in Gmail. It's simple once you know where to look and what to check. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and check out the channel for more Gmail and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.